In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Smartsheet to Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in to reviewing the exported file, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Smartsheet in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the sheet you want to export. If you work in a shared environment, you'll need at least viewer permissions to export. Once you're in, head to your Home or Recent section and open the specific sheet you plan to take into Excel. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the right one by glancing at the sheet name and a few rows of data. With the sheet open, look toward the top of the interface. You can use either the File option in the top left or the Sheet menu, depending on your layout. Both paths lead to the same place. Click there, then choose Export. You'll see a few export options appear. Select Export to Microsoft Excel. This tells Smartsheet to package your current sheet as an .xlsx file. Now, wait for the download to begin. The timing can vary based on the size of your sheet and your internet speed. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a familiar location like your Downloads folder or desktop. If the download starts automatically, you'll usually find it in your default Downloads folder. If you don't see anything, check your browser's download icon or your pop-up settings, as some browsers block automatic downloads. When the file finishes downloading, open it in Microsoft Excel. If you see a security warning at the top, click Enable Editing so you can work with the data. Take a moment to review the contents. Your columns, rows, and most basic formatting should carry over. Note that certain Smartsheet specific features like comments, attachments, proofs, or activity logs don't export into the Excel file. Formulas may convert to values in some cases, especially if they reference elements unique to Smartsheet. Filters and conditional formatting might need to be recreated in Excel if they don't appear as expected. Scan a few key rows and columns to confirm dates, drop-down values, and numbers look right. If you rely on special characters or long text fields, scroll through to confirm everything came across cleanly. Large sheets may take a bit longer to open, so give Excel a moment if it seems busy. And that's it. You logged in, opened your sheet, exported to Microsoft Excel, waited for the download, and reviewed the file in Excel to ensure your data looks the way you need.